guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope this video find everyone doing well and in good spirits. Guys, I'm doing fine, but it look like it's about to storm outside. It's all cloudy and all that stuff. So I'm going to go ahead on and do this video and share it with you guys. It shouldn't take that long. And it's a good one. It is a subscriber request. And I will be sharing with you guys how I prepare the best bacon ever. Yeah, I've had this request a couple of times back when I even did a breakfast with Britt, but I put it down and I just always would forget it when I do my breakfast. But anyway, this is the bacon that I will be using today, guys. But you can use any type of bacon that is of your preference. But I will say this, guys. You get what you pay for. Now, I use the same methods that I'm going to use the same method with this bacon as I use with any brand of bacon that I cook. And it still be good, but like I say, it's the brand of bacon is a lot what makes it the best bacon ever. And guys, I will be using a little baking sheet, a cooking sheet. This is what I'm going to be preparing it in, and I'm not going to cover it with foil. And guys, I got this bowl here to show you that I'm going to take this bowl at a certain point when I'm baking this bacon, because I will be cooking this bacon in the oven at 400 degrees. And I'm not sure with the times, but I will be coming in and taking you along the process of what I want to show you. Because when I first put it in, I don't know how long it'll be before I go in and I will pour the grease off, and then I will the rendered fat. Let me put it right. I will pour the fat off, and then I'll put it back in the oven, and then let it, cook to my desired level of dourness and whatever. Because, guys, I am not a person that like real crispy bacon. Definitely support. It's going to be well cooked, but I don't like hard bacon. I'm going to put it like that. So that's the reason I'm going to show you when it get to a certain cooking level, you pour the rendered up oil, grease off of it, so it will go head on and fry like it's supposed to. That is one of the reasons that I think the bacon cooks so, that it tastes so well, that everybody, like family and friends that have eaten my bacon, just thought I just did something so great with it, and I just never could understand. And I asked them, I said, do you cook your bacon in the oven? I had a couple of them say, I cook mine in the oven, but it just never turns out like this. But I'm going to show you my process, so maybe that can help you and help the person out that emailed me and asked me about doing some bacon food. So guys, let me tell you what I'm going to do first. Now I'm going to tell you one thing that I do, and you don't have to do this if you don't want to. I take and I rinse my bacon off. No matter what kind I got, I rinse the bacon off. Then I take a paper towel and I pat it dry, and then I line it up on my baking pan and put it in the oven. So I'm going to step off and rinse the bacon off, and then I will come back and talk with you more. Be right back, guys. Okay, guys, we are back, and I done rinsed the bacon off. You ain't got to go through no whole big rinsing process, but it's a sedimentation that's on this bacon. Some of it would be like just some sediment of the fat that's in it, or either is some kind of liquids or fluids that come out of there, whatever. But it'll tend to make your bacon extra salty. I learned, we'll put it like this here, and if you don't want to do it, you don't have to do it. But I learned my bacon will just be absolutely delicious when I cook it this way. This is a way that I cook. I just, Okay, guys, see what I do? I take and I fold the script of bacon in half, and then I just line it up on my baking sheet. And if you have to kind of overlaps a little bit or whatever, it's not going to make any big difference, because as soon as this bacon start to bake and render up that fat that's in it, it's going to draw up. This whole pan of bacon is going to be looking like, you know, nothing. Now, if you like your bacon scratched out and crispy and all that kind of stuff, now you do that. But this is the way I like mine, because like I told you, I don't like real hard bacon. I love my bacon cooked like this. And usually if I'm out somewhere and it's cooked, you know how they have it in scripts, according to what kind it is. Like we have eaten at, what's the name of that place we used to eat at all the time here for breakfast? I like their breakfast. I don't even think they have one in around here anymore. When we lived down in Florida, we used to go, you know, Mario and them. I'm not a big buffet person, but he used to love to go to that buffet.
I'm trying to think what you're talking about.
Well, it'll turn over to lunch and all that kind of stuff. And they used to have one over there in Enterprise. I don't know if they still have.
Shoney's?
There you go, Shoney's.
Okay.
You remember Mario used to love to go to that buffet when he was younger? I wonder, do he still like that? Guys, I didn't mean to say it, because whoever, to each his own. But May is not a big buffet person. But my son used to like that, and Shoney's breakfast. If we would traveling and stuff like that, we would go there. And he used to like to go to Golden Corral. And I used to go to just all the bacon. Let me spray that out. Okay, guys. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I sprayed just a little cooking spray. I can't touch it right now. Just a little cooking spray, so that'll keep it. You know, it just always work. I don't know why I spray it on there, but sometimes it'll, according to what type of bacon it is and ever how the person had it smoked or cured, it may have something in it that may want to cause it to stick a little bit. And like I say, don't come at me with you putting it on that foil. For some reason or another, when I put it on that foil, I don't like the way that foil make bacon cook. So I put it on my pans and I just wash and scrub them real good, because I've been cooking it in this pan right here for years. And it ain't all messed up. And then when one get all burned up and ugly, I'll throw it away. So guys, this is the bacon before I put it in the oven. And when I get to that point that where I'm going to drain that fat off, I will bring it back and let you see it and let you see what it looked like and how I pulled the fat off it the first time. Okay guys, I'll be right back. Okay guys, we are at the halfway point with this bacon, and I'm going to drain some of this fat off. Drain a lot of the fat off. Drain all the fat that's been rendered now. I'm going to drain it off, and then I'm going to, and if some slide over in the container that you drain it in, draining the grease off in, just go ahead on and, you know, take it out and put it back in. And now guys, what I'm going to do, look at it. I want you to look at it. I'm going to put this back in the oven and finish cooking it up. And guys, let me tell you something else about at this point. A lot of times, I like baked black pepper bacon. And if I have a real good black pepper, I go ahead on and sprinkle me some black pepper on it. And I have even sprinkled some brown sugar on it. Just use your imagination as to how you can season this bacon up at this point. And a lot of things, some bacons and stuff, it's gonna have more fat than other. And then I'm going to straighten it back up on this pan. You see how easy it is to move, not sticking and none of that stuff. And then I'm gonna put it back in the oven, and then I'm going to finish cooking it. Now when I come back, guys, this bacon will be finished. But let me show you something, guys. I'm going to show you something that's real good. And because I want some, that's the reason I'm going to go ahead on and do it. Because this is a pretty good black pepper. I had bought a bigger container, and I just put it in there. Just go ahead on and take you some black pepper. And put it on that bacon. At this point, and I'm telling you guys, the ones of you that like black pepper on your ham, on your bacon, because my mama used to put black pepper on a long time ago when they used to do the salt pork. When I was growing up, she would boil the salt out of it, and then once she boiled the salt out of it, pour the water off, then sprinkle some black pepper on it, and she have fried it with flour and stuff on it, just trying it. But we liked it just with the black pepper sprinkled on it, and then put it back in the skillet and let it fry like bacon, and it was so good. So guys, let me go ahead on and put this bacon back in the oven and finish up this video. Okay guys, I'll be back to show you the finished product. Hey guys, welcome back. And I don't even think I need to say welcome back, but guys, I just want to show you guys the finished product of the best ever bacon. You try it, you'll say the same thing. But it was one thing that I forgot to tell you guys when I poured the rendered up fat off of it the first time. I turned it over. Now, if I have some thin bacon, sometimes I don't turn it over, but I always turn the bacon over at that point to just ensure it's done. But one thing about it, you ain't got to ever worry about your bacon being done fixing this way. I've been fixing it like this many years, and I just love it. Really don't like it any other way, because I don't even hardly buy bacon. The bacon is thoroughly cooked. It's done. Can you see it? And it's just so tender, guys. That's what I love about it. You will enjoy eating this bacon like this, cooked, prepared this way. And then also, like I told you, I done did it before, buying stuff on sale. It's you get what you pay for. Hold on just a minute, let me get a little of this all off. But when I take it out the oven, I usually do it in the pan, but since I took it up for y'all, I just take a paper towel like that and dab over it and get into the excess grease out of it. If you a bacon lover, guys, you will enjoy this bacon with some hot butter or either cheese grits and some homemade biscuits. And you would just have to try it. And some scrambled eggs, or either sunny side up eggs, or whatever kind you like, and you a hot cup of coffee. You're gonna be in as they used to say, you're gonna be in hog heaven. Because now guys, let me say this real quick. My daddy, he used to smoke his own bacon, and then my granddaddy used to do it, but then at one point he had some man that used to smoke his for, simply because they killed their own hogs. And that type of bacon always is so good. And then that place, their farmer's place that we took you guys down to, the farmer's market, it was a country meat market next to it. We normally go down there and get our bacon enough to last, for a few months and keep it in the freezer. But when we don't get it from down there, this is the type bacon I like to use, and it's another kind, because I don't use just about every bacon it is, because if they have it on sale, I will try it, and I know whether to try it again or not. And most time I don't. I stick to my type bacon that you seen me cook just then. And for this video, I showed you guys the pack and all that kind of stuff. A lot of people be saying, don't be giving them free advertisement, but I don't be giving free nothing. I just be telling the truth as to what I use. And then I also like Sunnyland bacon simply because it's low sodium, but it tastes good. That low sodium bacon tastes good cooked the way that I did it. So guys, I'm not going to hold you up. I was going to go out there and shoot that video of the progress of the seeds coming up, but it's so cloudy and the weather is not looking that great. I'll just probably wait for that because I got another requested video that I'm going to try to get up this week. Is real short, but the ones of you that gave me requests, if I didn't tell you that I couldn't prepare it or whatever, and I told you I put it on the list, I will get to it, but you just don't know that list is kind of long. But I haven't did too many subscribers requests lately, so these look short ones like this, I'm gonna try to get some of them out the way. I got a lot of them, you know, simple ones. And then I kind of thought about it. I said, what is that some young person just really don't know how to prepare that and done requested that for me? So let me get on the ball, because I love my subscriber requests, because I simply feel it don't have to be the masses. If I'm helping one person, then I know my living and my work is not in vain. So guys, I'm going to go ahead on and close this video. Leave me a comment as to whether you like the kind of bacon that I showed you in the beginning of this video. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, y'all. Got to get back on the ball with the thumbs up now. You was doing real good, and you have always asked me, is there any kind of way that I can help you? You can help me with the thumbs up and the comments. And the comments, because I enjoy comments and stuff. And I've been in it 4 years, but still I kind of answer my comments because I like to see what they're saying. And if it's a lot of them overwhelming and I can't get to them right then, I have went back and answered some comments that I missed for 2 or 3 years ago. I read and they say, where did this come from? So guys, like I remember what May always tells you guys. Use your common sense. Think positive. And May love you guys. Bye.
Bye, you guys.
You hear that thunder? It's thundering, guys. Just in time.